What's good, Crypto Yang Gang? It's your boy, Crypto Yang, in the building. I have a banger right now for you guys. Right now, I'm showing you my balance. I completely aped into this shit. No joke. Cluecoin. You can go and check it out if you want to. The website, I think, is what. Hey, Ralph, what's the website? Is it ClueShare?
ClueShare.
ClueShare.com. Go check them out. LP is locked. They're doing a huge burn in 3 days and another one, I think, what, in a month, you said?
A few months.
In a few months. This shit, look, it opened up at 1,500, okay? Around this area right here, I was in on the pre-sale. I put 1 BNB in that shit. It was about 4 BNB right there. You guys see where it's sitting right now. Look at the kind of, I want to show you the volume. Look at the volume on this thing. 35K on this 5-minute candle. 248, 167, 426. Hold on. We're gonna get into the nice ones here. Hold on, wait. Yeah, 744, and look, $1 million in sales, and that bitch chugged right back up. All right, this right here, the developer is DNP3. My man got massive money, massive following, bruh. I'm not going to say much more about it. I just want to share this with y'all. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. This is my top pick of the week, of the month. And I am holding this bitch, riding this shit out until, I don't even know when the until is. I don't even know what the until is, but I just want to share this with y'all. This is Cluecoin. I'm going to have the contract address in the description. Y'all know my Discord, man. My Discord, Crypto Yang Gang Discord, the big infamous. I'm going to have the link in the description on that as well. Come through. The Discord is free for people to watch. If you want to get in on the action and talk and learn and ask questions and things like that, there is a minimum donation. Please check out the announcements. All right. And then also check out the read channels as well. First, when you get in, you're going to want to verify just by reacting, but I would prefer that you guys actually read everything in here before you do that. And then you just DM me, man. DM me if you want to join the Crypto Yang Gang and send your minimum donation to be able to chat, ask questions, learn, whatever. We also have an education area. We have a pre-sales chat and a pre-sales area that is only for Crypto Yang Gang members. Just want to put y'all on something right now. It is at an all-time high, but as y'all can see, this shit is just chugging on along. And I don't even know, man. I don't even know where this thing can go. But amongst all these other coins that are sitting at a floor and just riding the floor the whole time, this thing is just absolutely trucking, man. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. Do your own research, check it out, see who the dev is, see who the investors are, check out the wallets if you want to, look at the contract, all the coding and all that, bro. I'm telling you, this coin in my eyes is legit. And if you see anything wrong with this coin yourself, feel free to comment about it. If you love the call, feel free to comment about it, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is just a quick video. I just want to throw this out here for you guys. Look at this market cap. All right. When I first got into this, it was under the 100 mil market cap. We are, what time did it start? At about 7:25, it launched 7:20, and we're at midnight. So under 5 hours, this thing is at 150 mil market cap. All right. Anyway, Crypto Yang Gang, what up? It's your boy. We all eat. You know what I'm saying? Crypto Yang Gang. I appreciate all of y'all.